Welcome to Mamaw Knows, here at our masterclass for fractions. Today's video is going to be about fractions, and we're talking about multiplication. This is video number 4 in our series. We are going to try our best to make these videos to the point and hopefully easy and simple to understand. We hope to include, whenever possible, any tips or tricks while still tying into real life situations so that you better understand why you need to know about fractions. So I hope that you enjoy it. It's time to get started. Welcome to video 4 masterclass on fractions. We're talking about multiplication today. This is actually one of the simplest things to do with fractions, okay? When you multiply, it's really amazingly simple. We're going to look at a few examples, and this should be really short and sweet, folks, so let's get into this. The first example we're going to do is 1/3 times 2/5. Now, in multiplication for fractions, you simply multiply straight across. So we're going to take the two top numbers, remember they're called the numerators. 1 times 2 equals 2. And then we're going to look at the denominators, the lower numbers. 3 times 5 is 15. Straightforward, very simple. Your final answer is 2/15. Let's look at another example. Let's look at 3/7 plus 5/8. Again, we do the same thing. 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 8 is 56. Final answer, 15/56. All right, let's look at a third one. Let's do this time a little bit bigger numbers maybe. Let's look at 4/11 times 7/9. Again, straight across, y'all. 4 times 7 is 28. 11 times 9 is 99. Let's look at one last example. This time we're going to make it a little bit different. We're going to use a whole number. So we're going to say 7/16 times 5. Now, 5 is not in fractional form, but any and every whole number can be written as a fraction by simply putting that number over 1. Because remember, a fraction is simply a division problem. So what that says is 5 divided by 1, which equals 5. So 5/1 equals the whole number 5. So we would rewrite it as 7/16 times 5/1. And we just do the same thing. 7 times 5 is 35. 16 times 1 is 16. So our final answer is going to be 35/16. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post you some example problems that you can work through on your own. They will be posted at the end of the video for you to work out your skills and make sure that you're okay. And then the answers will be in the video description, okay, so that you can check your work. And if you would, just drop me a comment. Let me know whether or not you've had any problems with it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and that you found value in something that we shared. If you did like this video, would you please consider sharing and liking the channel? That would be fantastic. We hope to see you in the next video in our series in which we will be covering division. Thank you so much.